Why are new and used car prices going up? If you rebuild and resell cars, or even if you're considering buying a new car for the first time, you'll know that strong demand plus tight inventories are making both used and new car prices skyrocket. MyAirbags is an alternative to overpaying on a new or used vehicle, to help give your current car new life, and to make rebuilding a car faster with lower costs than ever before. What we do is simple. We rebuild original parts such as seatbelt pretensioners, rollover bars, battery pyro sensors, active headrest, and collapsible steering columns. By taking individual parts and restoring them to as good as new quality, you'll get the joy of that new car feeling without the cost and hassles of a dealership. Our customers, both top collision and body shops, plus everyday motorists, have thanked us by saving them thousands of dollars. If you purchased a vehicle in an auto auction after it's been in an accident with a plan to rebuild it for profit, or if you were in a collision yourself and want to get back on the road, MyAirbags can help reset the airbag control module. If your seatbelt has experienced wear and tear, we can fix it using better than original components, which we do for all our repairs. We also offer custom seatbelts in dozens of colors and patterns, from racing stripes to camo, if you want to mix safety with style. No car customization is complete without custom seatbelts. We can also replace the sensor in your collapsible steering column. Dealerships will sell you the entire column replaced, but MyAirbags can just repair the small sensor. Our MO is to only fix what's broken to save you money. So with an always growing list of makes and models supported and a wide variety of repairs we specialize in, MyAirbags can do so much more than just reset airbags. Before overpaying on rebuilding a car or buying a new one, contact us today to see how we can give new life to your car without the cost and hassle of going through a dealership.